Hakakat atarik unailar hajar apusan san klur donnam kila Ïohpdiang ya ke Riti Academy hakasngi ainam Khusnam shiki samla jong ke Jylla kabalong ha pakidulan jong ulat kabala penkup do CH Vijaya Shankar ulat ke Jylla Meghalaya ha ke jingadan ringkat uba FR Kyrwoh IAS Principal Secretary Arts and Culture but Dr. BDR Tiwari IAS Commissioner and Secretary to the Governor. Ha kabay sulok bagi klur donnam ulat kulayaro ia kikam jong ke Riti Academy na kabentaban penkuburam iki samla ke Jylla kibat tibet halaka sap kapong kenang makin yo mensiem bandang yaine halaka kam bagi tibet. Ki klur donnam kibala yo Khusnam na ulat kilong Dr. Meban Lampang Lingdo daga Khusnam rana Kyrwoh na kabenta ka surwai surtem bat katho katar urangkit boksi dokrut daga Khusnam eskushin sumer na kabenta katho katar ukirmen lang Juria daga Khusnam Sumar Singh Sawian na kabenta kapatay kubor uram Kimjin daga Khusnam Pritwal Singh Sidave na kabenta kasnadur bat Ricky Paul Marwen daga Khusnam Crystal Gale Karnayor na kabenta kathodur Sankor lani digital arts. Ha kejingkran lamprang uba Rafael Wardri ulas dang da kabapertu ya usin yang jongki keluar bala klat no ki bala persat mensi men pensyur yaki samla ha kalawai kum uba eskushin sumer uba Sumar Singh Sawian u Pritpal Singh Sidave uba Rana Kyrwoh bat kasamla Crystal Gale Karnayor bam kuai hadwar ublay ki bala tingshan hala kakam. Nang ta ula aingu kintiu namru ya ulat bala klat no dang shen usatyapal Malik ubala sam ya Khusnam kledu ha Jylla lani state award sha uba Rafael Wardri ha usnem hajar arkuway kabalingku artat bat kalingku liposnem jongka senjuk ki barikor khasi Riti Academy ha kaba ulat Satyapal Malik ulakin pham baka sarkar kadaipan kershan borba yaki kam bakrau jongka Riti Academy. Uba Rafael Wardri ula namru yaki kam thodur bala yola naga sarkar kum kabate yo umoddur jong utirat sings im handong ba Shillong Jylla Meghalaya ha Dhaka Bangladesh ba dangshan umoddur ba jrongtam ha ke Jylla papha ka HYC balate halat artet nong thlio bat kiwe ki jingte donnam ke Jylla. Lapan pauru ke jing songu yo ulat ke Jylla UCH Vijaya Shankar na kabenta ka song pisa bala kular ban ainam syabaro ki klur donnam ki bala Ïohpdiang ya ki Khusnam. Lapan ipu iping ya ke jing rakhi sam Khusnam da ka jing ruai aingu da ka dalariti ji Karnayor yala ka Hinman Crystal Gale kabade artat ka sngiling Khusnam sngiya bapra menta usnem.
Out of 5, 1 is from Bangalore. 5 awardees. At least 1 is from Bangalore. All the best. God bless you. One more India awardee. Oh. Please.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
It is all given now.
Please. Yours. God bless you. Please come. Out of 5, 1 is from Bangalore. 5 awardees. At least 1 is from Bangalore. Gentlemen, all the best. 1 is from Bangalore in the sense from my native. So much of that. Then what is permanent? Riti award is permanent. Our achievement is permanent. What we contribute to the family, to the society, to the nation, that is permanent. Our achievement, dedication, sacrifice, that is permanent. Other than that, nothing is permanent. And second thing, after seeing this child, I feel that not only this baby, this child, Every child is asset of the family, to their families. Not only asset to the family, this kind of personalities or this kind of personalities, asset to the society. Not only asset to the society, but all asset to the nation. Asset to the nation. So ultimately, we have to be the asset of the nation. Asset of the nation. So, in the name of this baby, you have taken very good decision. You have taken very good decision. That too, this award should be given in the name of governor, Whoever governor may be here, but all the times an opportunity to remember this baby in the Rajbhavan. And award given in the name of this child. It's really wonderful. You are a standing example to the rest of the others. No one should not lose their children in the middle. But if at all something is going to happen, by that time what is the responsibility of the parents? How they should take it positively. So you are the standing example for that. Of course, death again, that baby cannot come back. But whatever the decision you taken positively, ultimately an academy you are able to form, and many of the dignitaries, many of the scholars, many of the well-known personalities, you are able to identify and bring them here, honor them in the name of their child. It's really wonderful. Really wonderful. This message should go to the rest of the other parents also. How they should they think of their children, and if at all they are alive, how should they live? If at all something is going to happen, how their parents should take that issue in their lifetime. I'm really very happy, very happy, and really I'm very thankful to Mr. Wajri. You see, achievement, if at all you mind, it is beyond imagination, I tell you. One then, by the name of Wajri, a girl at the age of 20, she had come here just 15 days back along with her parents. 20 years girl, a small baby, she is able to climb Mount Everest. When I used to read probably 8th standard or 9th standard, probably I may not remember, anybody is able to climb Mount Everest, that is only Tenzing. Used to read like that. But now the baby belongs to Meghalaya. At the age of 20, she is able to climb the Mount Everest. Can we imagine? Can we imagine? In the sense, there is no limit. There is no limit to achieve anything in our field. In our field. So we decide to honor that baby on August 15th. 14th night, they are the special guest in Rajbhavan. We are going to treat that baby and parents of that baby. They are the guests. We are going to honor them. So 14th night, they are coming here. They are going to stay in Rajbhavan. And 15th, we are going to honor them. And one boy, he don't have 2 legs. He participated in the national and international games. Ultimately, he had come to we people. If at all you are able to give string legs, one or the other day, I am going to participate in the Olympics. I bring good name to the Meghalaya. Ultimately, we decided 9 lakhs, 75,000 rupees it is worth. That we are going to do it on 15th of August. You see, any child, if at all we feel it is going to be a asset of this society, not only the responsibility of like Waziri, it is all our responsibility. It is all our responsibility to promote, morally support. Ultimately, that achievement, Waziri achievement, it is not only Meghalaya. Whole nation appreciates, Whole nation appreciates. So you all belongs to that cadre only. Really, I congratulate to all of you people and your achievement, your background. I am so proud to listen. I am so happy to listen. Again, we can meet some other times. Some of the very good artists had come here. Some of the very good poets, they had come here. Really, the way how you are going to select some of the personalities in the name of this academy, that's also wonderful. That's also going to be the standing example to the rest of the other academies. Again, I wish all the best to everybody.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.